Welcome to Fit After 40, day 111, Bunny.
Hello.
Where are we at?
We're at Mingo Falls in Cherokee.
Mingo Falls, Cherokee, North Carolina. We've never been on this trail before. We looked it up. It looks fairly easy, actually. It's mostly stairs, but we'll see. It's supposed to be somewhat challenging. I don't know.
It says moderate, but I think it's just because it's all stairs. Stairs all the way up.
Okay. Well, that's exciting. We should be able to burn some calories.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we're on our way up. Bunny's going up the steps. She's loving it so far. She really likes a good climb. And you're right by the little creek. So Bunny is thinking she's gonna get blasted. She's loving it. Bunny's pace has significantly slowed. Wow, what's going on?
I think I'm feeling it a bit.
These stairs?
Yeah.
They're pretty serious.
Yeah.
This might be your favorite staircase of all time.
Yeah.
It is. Wow. Big statement. Yeah, let's keep it going.
Yeah.
Bonnie's loving it. She said more stairs, please. I think Bunny is finding this path a little treacherous. She is diligently watching her step.
Yeah.
It's not your normal path, huh? A little rocky. It's pretty rocky and pretty wet back here.
Yeah.
It's the start of the falls. That is a cool looking tree. The root is growing right on the rock. Wow, perfect log for you to walk across.
Yeah, right.
What?
No.
Why?
No.
It's even got a spot in the middle so you can regain your composure.
Yeah, no.
I don't know, what do you guys think? Should Bunny have crossed it? The end's nice and mossy.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's keep it moving. Wow, it is just really wet and I don't know how else to explain it here.
I feel like all of this becomes falls when it's raining.
Yeah. This looks like a very wet area.
Yeah. And you know what? Michael's right. In wet areas, you'll see the mossy green stuff all over.
Yeah.
Just like springing up property.
Bunny said she's gonna climb this rock. I was like, wow, pretty ambitious, Bunny.
Remember, this was Risty's idea when something happened, okay?
Whoa. Maybe you should be wearing a helmet. This all looks pretty slick. I think that's it.
Okay, so.
Wow. Let's see her face when she sees them for the first time.
Wow, that's pretty spectacular, actually.
It is. It's a fantastic waterfall.
It is.
It's even prettier than Yellow Creek, I would say.
It is.
We got a new top waterfall. It's just taller. The water cascades on it good. I don't know. Something special about it.
The prettiest one I've ever seen.
Yeah, for sure. Mingo Falls.
I think it's even prettier than the Niagara Falls, and I've seen that too.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Niagara Falls is just massive, like it's overwhelming.
Yeah. Would you ride a tube down it?
This?
Yeah.
No. You see all those rocks? No thanks. That would hurt.
Yeah, this would be a pretty rough one.
Yeah.
And there it goes. That's it. It says the trail is closed for repair. There ain't no repairs going on up there. I don't know what's going on.
You caught me.
Here is the start of the stairs. Bunny said she wanted to run down. I was like, all right, Bunny, well, just be careful, okay?
I eat stairs for lunch.
Wow, look at her. Whoa, Bunny's on the move. She's in the groove. It's hard to even keep up with her. I'm trying to look at the screen and where I'm stepping at the same time. This is challenging. She's outpacing me. What's going on here? Oh my God. Wow. Bunny is going. I seriously am having trouble keeping up. She's moving very fast. And it's hard to concentrate, not fall, film this. Oh, I'm gaining ground. We're catching back up. I somehow got Bunny to agree to go back up these stairs again. Look at him.
He suckers me.
Look at him. You ready to eat those stairs again? Oh, she's on the move. I can't believe it. Wow. Look at her. She's actually running up them. Bunny's in beast mode. It's Bunny beast mode. Wow. It's not really easy to talk to you guys right now. This is actually a lot of work. Whoo! Whose idea was this? Bunny, where do you come up with these things? Oh. Bunny's loving it.
That's hard. Those long ones.
Before and after pictures coming. Hey Bunny, stay fit.
After 40.
And always choose one.